What up, y'all? Welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to each state to try their most iconic food. And today we are going to the state of Indiana. But first, last episode I had a Detroit style pizza in Michigan here at Jets, and it was good, and I enjoyed it. Now pizza has done very well on our leaderboard so far. New Haven has that #1 spot, has had it for quite a bit now. And Detroit style pizza, it's got the iconicness, got the uniqueness. The taste is great also. With all that, I decided to put Detroit style pizza at number 21 on our leaderboard. I'm a pizza guy, I liked it. I like everything on this list, and that's where we put it for now. But today we are road tripping to Indiana, more specifically the city of South Bend, Indiana. And we have quite a bit of ways to go. The car wants us to stop and charge in less than an hour with 42% battery. I think we can push past that, so we do have to stop to charge at some point before we get to where we're going to eat. So we'll do that, but where to charge, we'll find out together. Let's hit the road. We gotta pay a toll, and there's no person, so guess who's quiet? Sorry, Rita. Just sleeping? No, he's up. He's upset there was no one to bark at.
Remove, thank you.
So many tolls in Ohio. Don't know if it's worse than New Jersey. I mean, these are starting to add up. We made it to Indiana. I'm a big fan of these supercharger stops right on these travel plazas. Holy cow, it's windy. But very convenient. It takes like a minute to get off and plug in. But before I let the boys out, I gotta go to the bathroom. There was a Dunkin' in there. Still want to give Dunkin' a third chance, but it's already almost 5:30. I'd be up all night if I had caffeine right now, so maybe some other time on this trip, but not today. I don't trust my phone on that stand. It's probably gonna fall over. It's so windy, but we'll roll with it. Boys, wait. Ooh, it is so windy. You like the wind, Brody boy? You like this spot? You like this cheek scratches? Look at that luscious fur in the wind. Whoa. Raider, get back here. There you go, Brody. Raider, wait your turn. Didn't forget to put Indiana on the board. It's so freaking windy, and these trucks are just, I don't know what they're doing, but it's so loud out there. I don't want to do it in here. I'm going to go try to find a spot. All right, this is going to have to do. We're like behind the travel center. Charger's back there. We're not too far behind this building, blocking the wind a little bit. Still a little loud, but hopefully you guys can hear me all right. If I can get Indiana peeled off, we can put it on the board. Here we go. Indiana, smaller than I thought. Oh, it's upside down. My bad, I'm all discombobulated. I've been tired today. That Detroit pizza, just like, I could have napped after that. But anyway, Indiana is on our board. Vermont is there, don't forget. We're on our way back, folks. I mean, that's a lot of states we got on there. I just took my sunglasses off and the sun came back up. But we're in Indiana. The camera's shaky, sorry it's windy, but you can tell we got green grass, lots of it. I think that's corn. If it's not, it's something that looks like corn. Like we're in the Midwest. We're officially in the Midwest and out of the Northeast area. Still green, just not as many like pine trees. I don't know, that's my observation. I am gonna unplug though. I'm sure we have plenty enough battery, and I'm just getting beat up by this wind. Where did this wind come from? It wasn't this windy when I was driving. It's crazy. 72%. We'll get to where we're going to eat with 48% in about an hour. Raider is on the lookout. There's people next to us. It's okay, dude. Relax a little bit. Go take a nap. You were sleeping pretty good earlier. Go take a nap again. Let's hit the road.
Scan ticket.
Whoa, stop yelling at me.
Insert card or pay cash.
Holy cow. $6.90. It'll take card?
Thank you.
That thing is loud. South Bend, Indiana, home of Notre Dame, and I am so done with this win today. This is gonna have to do. I don't care. We're at Pejza's Lydick. We're here to try Indiana's most iconic signature dish, which is the breaded pork tenderloin sandwich. No, I didn't know that either. The concept seems simple. Just pound a pork cutlet thin, bread it, fry it, put it between some buns, and there you go. Expectation-wise, I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure I've had these growing up, not from Indiana, but just like breaded pork sandwiches in general. I think there's some mayonnaise on them. I think I might like some mayonnaise on them. We'll see how it comes, but it's fried, so we've learned fried is good. And now that I'm done doing this whole spiel, it's quiet, the wind has died down, there's no train, so let's go in and eat. We may be back in sleeper pick territory. I didn't expect this. It's not like stupidly large, but it is coming off the bun by a few inches. Breaded pork tenderloin, Indiana, potential sleeper. Cheers. I gotta take a stupidly big bite because I want to get some bread in here. The outside has got that crunch, the inside is juicy, and it came out quick. A little hot, but really juicy. More than I thought. Definitely, I mean, I've had pork sandwiches growing up. Not this juicy though. And I think that's mayo. I'm not sure. Just a little bit. Good touch. Good touch. I forgot. Not that it's like I'm not saying anything. I just putting it in frame. I just forgot. Not implying anything. I just forgot to put it here. That's all. Nothing about this seems complicated, but when you get a bite of everything in the middle, the lettuce, the onions, the what I think is mayo, it all comes together with that juicy pork. The shorts, not the shirt. Everything in this is just solid. I've been treated so well with food on this trip. Every dish is like one of the best dishes of that food that I've had, and this is no exception. Never in my life would I go to a restaurant and order a breaded pork sandwich. Maybe I'm missing out. Indiana, nice work, Indiana. Nice work, Indiana. I am gonna enjoy this last little bit. Better than expected. I said I didn't have expectations, I know, but like, so juicy. So juicy. I'm gonna enjoy it. We'll wrap up in a second. What's up, Brody? What's up, Brody? Real charge in a minute. I'll let you out in a minute. I'll let you out in a little bit. I know I'm probably gonna get roasted for the number of times I said I don't know what to expect, and then I go in there and say better than I expected. Is the breaded pork tenderloin like a popular Indiana thing? If you're from Indiana, I don't want to hear you say like, yeah, duh, of course. People not from Indiana, am I the only one who didn't really know that like that's a thing in Indiana? But it was good. It was good. I respect it. I respect the state food choice. This is gonna be a tough one to rank. We've got a lot of good stuff here, and that was a sleeper pick. That was a sleeper pick. It was good, but how good was it? I'll let you guys know tomorrow. I'll sit here and digest and think about it. I got the list right here, and we'll find out tomorrow. But for now, thanks for watching Indiana. See you guys tomorrow.